beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM box for February 2020. I am super excited to share with you guys what I have for my BOXYCHARM box for February 2020. Now, I will say I'm very excited and happy about this box, but I don't have an actual card to share with you guys. Apparently they forgot to put it in my box, and I think they knew that because they actually sent me it via email telling me this was my virtual card. I don't know if it was an error that they forgot about putting the card in my box, or maybe this might be something they start doing, but at least they remembered that they noticed, or somehow, because I didn't email them or anything about I had a missing card. I got a couple days later after I had received my box and stuff. I was like, oh, they sent me a virtual card. That's nice. I didn't even have to ask them. So somehow I guess they must have knew or something. So I do have the virtual card. So I will be reading it off my so I'm very excited. So we're gonna get started. Okay, I'm super excited about this product because I got to choose my shade for this product. I guess it's kind of a spoiler now, but a Becca foundation in this box. I'm excited. So this is the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Oh my gosh. As you guys know, we actually got the Becca Hydro Mist face setting powder. I still actually have that, so I've been actually kind of saving it to use with this. But I've also been saving that powder anyways because I wanted to use it during the summer, so because it gives more of like a hydrating, kind of cooling touch to the face, and that would be something really great to apply when it's super hot during the summer and I need something to cool down while I'm trying to apply my makeup. Door just opened. My baby brother just woke up. Okay, so let's open this little package up. This package is so very nice. Very neutral tones. Oh, but I haven't tried anything from like their foundation or anything, and I really like the face powder. I used a little bit of it, not the whole thing. But the shade, in case you guys are wondering what shade I got the foundation, I picked the shade Linen. I think that was kind of the most fairest, or I thought that would match to my skin tone. I was trying to compare it, I think, a little bit also to foundation I currently use. I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless foundation in the shade Pearl. So I think this looked similar to it. Wanted to try to get as best as I could to the foundation shade I kind of wear. But this, oh my gosh, this packaging is so beautiful. Here's the thing, I can appreciate when I get nice high-end products. This retails for $44 before I forget. I can appreciate high-end makeup when I do get it and stuff, and I'm excited to try it when I get it in a box, because it's like, you know, I only paid for the box and then pay for all these products individually. So, but it's nice to try kind of luxury items here and there, but I'm really excited. This packaging is super pretty, and oh my gosh, it's a pump. That's a cool looking pump. I kind of want to swatch the foundation to see what, let's see, hopefully it matches me. Please match me. That's the thing. I'm glad that we got to choose this foundation shade from Becca, but it's always hard to tell, you know, if it will really match or not. It has a scent to this. Is supposed to smell? Kind of smells. Kind of weird smell. But here's what it looks like compared to on my skin. I think this might work out if I blend it out nicely on my skin with a damp beauty blender. I would think it might match as well, most likely. That's the foundation swatch, guys. It's a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish. That's the only claims it says on this card. But I'm excited, oh my goodness. And I can't wait to pair it up with the Becca Hydro Mist powder that I got in a BOXYCHARM. I think that might be really cool. Woo! So exciting! Yay! Alright, up next we have some sponges. Okay, so these are the Luxie Beauty Complete Sponge Set. I'm so excited, guys, because I love Luxie Beauty products. I love their brushes. And now I got some sponges, and I've been needing some new sponges because mine are looking pretty, the one I'm currently using looks a little bit beaten up right now and falling apart. But look how pretty these colors are. They're kind of like a neutral based looking color ones. So those are them. Okay, so these little blenders, these are latex free and they are always vegan and cruelty free as well. I'm always going to mention if the sponges like this are cruelty free and stuff. I have a latex allergy, guys, because due to my spina bifida, I'm very prone to being allergic to latex, and it has happened. I've had allergic reactions in the past. Also can't eat certain fruits because of latex in those fruits. So these, I'm always glad to see companies that have latex-free sponges. So I'm glad these are latex-free because I can use them. This little set here is $40. $40, guys. So I'm excited. I'm going to open them because I want to show you guys them. The pink one, this tiny little pink one. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. So this is, it's a very pale pink. So it's not like a true pink. It's a very pale baby pink. So here's what this little sponge looks like. This is called a detail blender sponge. It says the small sponge is perfect for blending out color, corrector, and concealer under the eyes, around the nose and mouth, and over any blemishes for a perfect base before applying foundation. The tapered end is ideal size and shape for under eyes, while the rounded bottom will blend out color corrector or concealer around the face effortlessly. So this for the under eye section, and then this for anything else to blend out. That is super nice. They feel very nice and soft. The little gray sponge right here, this is your powder blender sponge. This large sponge is slightly firmer, more than most face sponges, making it ideal to dip into loose powders and apply over areas you want to set or bake, like under the eyes or beneath cheek contour for an especially defined face. So that's what this little guy looks like. There's a slanted here and then more of a tipped edge. But I think mostly you would just use this for just all that baking or setting the powder. You can set your whole face with these. These have become very popular lately. I believe Real Techniques has one. It's a pink shade. They have a little powder. They have a special powder sponge, and it's a pink one, and it looks very similar to what this looks like, just like a pink color. But I think that is actually more affordable. I think it's about like a $5-6 range for that one. So if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable and you don't want to have like a whole little blender set kit like this, you might want to try Real Techniques. The brown sponge, ooh, this is very different. I've never used a sponge like this. This soft sponge is designed for seamless foundation application. Use the flat sides to blend foundation out all over the face. The angle tip is also ideal for applying and blending contour products under the cheeks, forehead, and jawline. So there's the flat sides, more pointy end. So there's those little sponges. It's a really cute little kit. You know, it's a little expensive for my liking. I don't know if anybody wants all these kinds of sponges. But they're really nice, and they're very nice, aesthetically pleasing looking neutral base colors. So if you have a pink theme, these will go with it. If your beauty room, more of like a champagne gold room, or if you're doing like a more silvery base, I think these will all match nicely, perfectly with those kinds of tones if you like everything to match, especially your sponges, because I would like that to happen in the future with my products. That would just be overwhelmed. But yeah, that's 40 bucks, this little sponge set. Alright, I'm excited about this product. This is from Ciaté, London. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. It retails for $22 and it is super pretty and very cute. Look at this packaging. Pink and gold. A blush pink and a gold. Can you tell that all these pretty things go together so very well? I'm very happy. I like this box. I'm in love with this box, I think, more than last month's box. This one's just so much nicer. But here's what it looks like. And you can never have too many powders. Plus, I need powders anyway. But this is so pretty. And it's just a white translucent powder. And I already took the seal off this because I was thinking about using it this morning. But I was like, no, I gotta finish up my other powders. So I'm trying to see if it's, so it does have, I took the seal off, so it is a sifter looking thing. I don't really smell any coconut. It must be a very faint smell. So if you guys don't really care for scented products, this, I don't really smell anything. It must be super faint that you cannot smell, which, let's be honest, if you can't smell it, you're gonna probably be okay, because you can't smell it. But this is to lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear, and it's delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacay days. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft, focused finish with no flashback. That's nice claims. It has no flashback, in case those of you don't like flashback. But I hope it does smooth the makeup and not make it crease and just make it last all day, because that would be really nice. So I'm excited to try that, but I don't really smell a whole lot of coconut. It's a very faint smell to me, but you know, that's nice. And plus, most likely when you do put something on your face, I don't think it's gonna linger there for hours anyway, so that's nice. I can't wait to try that out. I could always use more powders. Skincare product that I got in my box this month is from First Aid Beauty. I'm not a big fan of First Aid Beauty, I'm gonna admit. But I think I might try these out. These might be okay to try out. I'm not a big fan of their facial cream moisturizers for some reason. They just don't work on my skin. They just don't sink in, nor do they make my skin any softer than what I want it to be. So I just don't think my skin likes cream products in general when it comes to skincare. But I'm okay with trying this out. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This retails for $16. And how many do you get in here? There's 28 pads in here. So here's what it looks like. No, they're sealed. They're sealed. I'm not going to open this yet because I'm actually using stuff right now. I have toners. I have a toner that I'm currently using. But it says that a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. I kind of like that. So I hope that works out because I would like to have nice, soft, smooth looking skin. I'm hoping to achieve that at some point in my life because I don't think I have soft, smoothing looking skin. I'm trying real hard to have a nice, moisturized looking face because I think it's mostly kind of very dry in the sense. I had some breakouts recently and I don't know where they came from. They kind of went away, but I still kind of have like this weird breakout that happened around my nose. I don't know if it's from the dryness of the winter, but like I just woke up and I was just like, oh my gosh. And that's why you haven't seen me film in a couple of days because I've been trying to get these things to go down, but oh my gosh, they just came out of nowhere. I don't know what's going on, but this winter weather's not helping. But I'm excited to try these out. So once I'm done with whatever toner I'm using right now, it's a rose scented toner. Guys, I love my rose scented products. But I will definitely give these a go and let you guys know how they work out for me. I'm really excited. And the last thing is from Evio Skin, and it's a collab, I guess, with Aurora. With the singer Aurora? These are the refreshing, cleansing hemp wipes. On here it says Evio Skin X Aurora. So is that with the singer Aurora? If you haven't listened to Aurora, she's actually wonderful. But these are really cool, these makeup wipes. I don't actually use them for my face, I'm gonna be quite honest. If I do get makeup wipes, I hardly use makeup wipes. I kind of use them just to remove like makeup swatches, or if I'm applying makeup on me, I need something to wipe my fingers and clean them, then I take a makeup wipe. That's what I kind of had them sitting around for. I don't know really many people that use facial makeup remover wipes anymore for their face. I think most days you can now take just like your cleanser and remove all your makeup off, and then you could do like a double cleanse, I think. I don't know if many people are still excited about makeup remover wipes. I don't know, but I'm gonna give these a go. So these are biodegradable, which is nice. It's a multitasking Evio Skin X Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. That's kind of nice benefits. This antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa and sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. Maybe I'll give these a go on my face. Maybe we'll try to give it a go. They're also natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free, and for all skin types. That's nice claims. Pretty much everything in this, everything in this box, I believe, is all cruelty-free, which is nice because I'm cruelty-free. I'm trying my very best to be a cruelty-free makeup person. Sometimes things slip by me, you know, you make little mistakes here and there. But for the most part, I'm very much using a lot of cruelty-free products. Everything I'm wearing today is cruelty-free. So, I'm excited. These look nice. Hopefully you guys didn't see. But those are $10 for, how many are in here? 15 wipes. Not bad. So, excited for that. And oh my goodness, that's everything in this box. That's everything in this box. I'm excited. This is a really good box. I'm excited. I'm very happy. I can't wait to try all this stuff out. So yeah, I'm gonna, don't forget, everything will be linked and listed down below in the description box for you guys. I will have right now the total of this month's box, so you guys can go see how much everything was worth. But yeah, very exciting, very happy, and yeah, we have lots of new makeup now. So thank you guys so much for watching in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give the big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, I'm sending you all lots of love, and have a beautiful and magical day. Love you guys. Bye.